Hey, what is going on, everybody? It is Connor here today, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Brydge Pro 11 for the iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's take a look. So we have the case right here. It's more of a keyboard rather than a case, but it does include a magnetic cover for the back. You can kind of see it previewed here. And it's again for the 11-inch iPad Pro. Shows off some specs, of course, on the back like any product. And it has a nice magnetic cover here on the side. And it's pretty straightforward. You open it up, it includes your USB to USB cable. It's USB-C, of course, because that's what's modern and what the iPad uses. Take the keyboard itself out and put it off to the side. As I said before, just simple USB-C to C, good for charging the keyboard, good for connecting it to your Mac or to your iPad as well. We'll go ahead and put the box off to the side so that we can look at the actual case / keyboard itself. So the keyboard is a heavy aluminum. It's actually about as heavy, if not a little heavier, than the iPad Pro 11-inch itself. It's probably about as thick too. So using this will definitely double the weight and size of your iPad. And we've got that USB-C port right over here. Then on the back, just some specs about it. And we'll go ahead and put that off to the side. Get a Brydge Y sticker, because that's their logo. Gives you a quick startup guide about how to set up the keyboard with your iPad. This looks like just the user manual, so of course just the basic stuff, and your magnetic cover for the back. Alright, so I decided that I would actually go ahead and show how we're going to set it up. So you have the iPad, and without dirtying the screen back too much, this just fits right on, super magnetic, really easy. And this, it does have the little rubber grippies on the bottom so that it won't be sliding all around when you're actually doing work and such. So this, pretty strong hinges. You just want to make sure that they are aligned straight, because this does line up directly with the bottom of the case. And go ahead and slide that on in. I did just bump the camera, sorry about that. I'm actually gonna pop this off just for ease. All right, and there's the full setup. So it does just open up like a laptop. And now it looks like a really nice looking MacBook Pro. Definitely not something you're gonna get from Apple. This case, or keyboard, I keep calling it a case, runs for $159.99 after tax, so I guess $149.99 pre-tax. You can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it through Brydge directly, and it's super nice. So I highly recommend it already, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted with a review in about a month on this one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to leave a like, comment, or even subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment about what you did like, what you didn't like about the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.